Coming up in this video, a fun, punchy, fruity, but very tasty amaretto cocktail. Welcome back, boys and girls. This video, amaretto. I haven't fit my amaretto videos. I've just noticed kind of like pick up again in views. So I thought it's about time I rocked out some more because we are probably talking over a year ago now. So I thought I'd make use of this. Big shout out to Toshi. This is not a paid promotion at all. I don't do paid promotions, but a big shout out to Toshi. Toshi have sent me this to kind of play with. Mainly because they're Amaretto cherries. Can we see those as well? There we go. One way round. That's it on the close-up. So we've got that. So a big shout out to them. Amaretto-wise, now let's be honest. I'll be open and honest. Look, most of you will use Di Serono. Of course you will. That's your easy go-to. I haven't actually got any Amaretto here at the moment to do a side-by-side comparison. So I can't do that for you. All I can tell you about it, this is really, really nice. ABV-wise, they're about the same. Yeah, 28. They're both 28% ABV. I've got no other information at all to give you other than this is really, really nice. I've been using this for cocktail masterclasses over the last couple of, probably about a month or so. Amaretto sour is one of the last cocktails. And oh boy, it makes cracking amaretto sours. This cocktail, oh my God. Almond notes in there. Oh, it's just, berry notes in there. It's just absolutely stunning. The big thing that makes it, I'm going to tell you, we've got Pineapple Grenade in there, which is my big, strong rum, 65% ABV pineapple rum. And that combined with that, oh boy, it just makes it. Big shout out to Trevor. Trevor. Look, I've said this in the previous couple of videos. Boys and girls, legends, you need to up your naming game, okay? I picked the best of the bunch for this one. This was a tropical martini, all right? I could have given it to Georgina and Ross, but all of you get involved. So Trevor, tropical martini. To be fair, it nails it. It is a flipping tropical martini. You couldn't have got more tropical if you tried, because that is stunning. Right, let's run you through the ingredients. Obviously, I've got my amaretto there. So that's going to be kind of the base. To pep it up a bit, this is 28% ABV, but just to pep it up a little bit, I've got some rocket fuel here. Let's give you a little quick close-up of that while I'm talking about it. 65% ABV pineapple rum. Let's just make sure I've got the right one. Yeah, because it looks very similar to the passion fruit grenade. 65% ABV, 130 proof. Lovely pineapple rum. Pineapple with hints of salted caramel in there. Whatever, like a pineapple rum, a bit of overproof, whatever, just to kind of pep it up a little bit. I've got my favourite kind of berry liqueur, Giffard Framboise de Ronce. It's kind of like a tayberry, blackberries versus raspberry kind of liqueur. You could use Chambord, you could use raspberry liqueur, you could use blackberry liqueur. I just love that. Lime juice, aromatic bitters, and then this little stuff, honestly, it's not, I do not think you can match the quality of that. It's just proper pressed pineapples. There's nothing but 6 pineapples in there. No water, no additives, no nothing, just 6 pressed pineapples. So proper pineapple juice. Most supermarkets will sort of do the similar sort of stuff. Just make sure it's proper and not the concentrate stuff. Right. Let's get a crack on. So, ingredient number 1, I've lost my jigger, there it is. Ingredient number 1, 30 ml of, or 1 ounce of this amaretto. Amaretto. That'll give us our nice kind of almondy, nutty notes to it. Love it. Right, ingredient number 2, rocket fuel. We're going for 15 ml, half an ounce of pineapple grenade. Yeah. Okay, I've just seen, it's just like a trigger word. I'm sure I saw the word feisty down here somewhere. Perhaps not. We'll leave that to the Spiced Rum reviews. Anyway, I've got this Framboise de Ronce. As I say, just talked you through that. Again, we're going 15 ml, half an ounce of that berry liqueur. It's luscious, this, proper luscious. I'm going for some lime juice. 15 ml, just 15 ml of lime juice, half an ounce. There we go. That out. I'm going for my aromatic bitters in this one, Ms. Bitters. Just going for like a third of a, whoop, bit too much there. That'll be about a third of a pipette. That'll be equivalent of about 3 dashes. And then I've got my pineapple. Is that all face in front? Yep. My pineapple juice here. I'm going for 60 ml. I'm going for 60 ml. That's what I'm going for. 2 ounces. It's going to go 30, but 60. Yeah, that'll be perfect. That'll be bang on the money. Right, Front and centre. There we go. Right. We're going to shake this up now. Icy, icy. Proper welly. 10-12 seconds. Right. Can't wait for this one. Right. This is going to get served up in a martini glass. I've got my little tiki martini glass there. And I'm going to double strain this one. The pineapple in this should give us that lively kind of thick, velvety kind of, oh yeah, oh yeah. Looks like we've used foamers, but we haven't because pineapple juice. Love it, love it. And then just to garnish, because of the little raspberries, I've just got a little, because of the liqueur, I've just got a little raspberry kebab just on there. If you want even more Amaretto cocktails, dive into one of the videos and playlists popping up on screen right there beside me. As always, if you like the recipe, big old thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of my future videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel.